10 easy keto snacks.
10. Cheese and pepperoni. Roll together for a savory snack. 9. Avocado with salt and pepper. Add hot sauce or lime juice for extra flavor. 8. Cucumber and cream cheese. These are refreshing and crunchy. 7. Nuts. Almonds and walnuts are excellent choices. 6. Hard-boiled eggs. Sprinkle with salt and pepper. 5. Pork rinds. Dip in guac or salsa for added flavor. 4. Berries with whipped cream. These will satisfy your sweet tooth. 3. Greek yogurt with berries. Opt for full-fat yogurt and low-carb berries. 2. Bacon-wrapped asparagus. Wrap together and bake until crispy. 1. Cauliflower tots. Make with cauliflower, cheese, and almond flour.